Alright guys, welcome back to Orange Track Outlaws Race Night. I got a good lineup here of 36 new cars, and we are going to send these bad boys down the track and see what we can find. We got a 2-pack here. We got the old tank. A little stock car, looks cool. Got the Zamac Custom El Camino. We got the SRT Viper in the Factory 500 series. Matchbox Porsche 911 Carrera. Let's see here. We got the Lethal Diesel, new for 2021 in the Hot Wheels. We got another new one here, the 85 Chevy Camaro IROC. That is a pretty cool looking car there. We got a color shifter, El Super Fasto. Oh, 2010 Pro Stock Camaro, Hot Wheels Racing Edition, Laughlin Racing. We got the Honda S2000 in yellow. We got the 2016 Lamborghini Roadster. Pretty cool looking car. Fast and Furious Skyline GTR. Another cool looking car. We got a little bit of an older one here, Monte Carlo concept car. This is a pretty cool car. It is all metal, pretty heavy. Hoping that flies. Oh, what do we got here? The old Roger Dodger with the Bolarama tampos. Oh, we got the 68 Dodge Dart Redline wheels. Cool paint job there. We get the Turbo Streak, a little F1 series looking car. Oh, what do we got here? We got the McLaren 720S, another car in the Factory 500 series in blue. It's a cool looking car. See here, we got the Happy Holidays. What's that? Corvette funny car. Metal base, all metal. That might be fast. Got another little bit older one here. Got Chevy Stalker. This is a pretty cool looking car. Plastic base, but we'll see how that Stalker goes. We got here 2016 Camaro Ss with the Borla decals. We got the Street Creeper Fright Car Edition. It's a pretty cool looking car. We got the Corvette Grand Sport in the Faster Than Ever wheel and axle package. That should be a fun one to watch. We got here the 1969 Dodge Charger with the opening hood function. Cool looking car. Oh boy, here we go. Look at this bad boy. This is that NASCAR series, the Hot Wheels Racing series. These are a fast, real fast line. So far, I think I have, I think my top 4 cars are all out of this line. Basically the same car, different paint. But this one's the Caterpillar car. I don't know, money's probably on this bad boy. We'll find out here in a minute. We got here 57 T-Bird with the Tattoo Machine series. Pretty cool car. We got here. We got the Gazella GT in the X-Racers edition. We got the 57 Chevy Rod Squad in pink. It's a good looking car. 64 Corvette Stingray in white. It's another good looking car. Subaru WRX STI. Let's see how this guy works. Let's see here. We got the Steer Clear. Kind of a goofy looking car in the Street Beast series. see how he races. I got a couple loose cars here. Got the Sheriff ride, metal base. We got new for this year, a little bit of Mustang here, 67 Mustang. Just up here, looks like we got ourselves a little bit of an older Matchbox Firebird, a little bit used. Oh, have the right way first time. Matchbox, super fast. Still rolls good though. Let's see. We got here Jaguar J220 Great Britain Edition. These are usually fast, so let's see how that guy goes. Oh, another open one here. Pretty good looking car there. What do you got? Nissan GTR. Good looking car there. Alright, lastly here, we got the old mystery model. I believe this is version 1 from 2020. Got to see what's in this bad boy. Haven't opened it yet. So, it is. That's a pretty cool looking car. Open hood. This guy here is the Mitsubishi Double Shot. Well, let's see how that goes. Alright guys, we got our cars here. I'm going to get these opened up. I'm going to get them lined up, and we are going to get to racing. See you in a minute. Okay everybody, race 1 is up and ready. In lane 1, we got the Roger Dodger. In lane 2, got the Matchbox Pontiac Trans Am. Lane 3, we got the Gazella GT. Lane 4, we got the Corvette Grand Sport with FTE wheels. Lane 5, Porsche 911 Carrera. And lane 6, we got the 64 Corvette. Alright, who's your money on here? Gazelle GTs are fast. We got an FTE here. What do you like? I'm gonna go lane 4. Let's race. Okay, race 1. 3, 2, 1. Corvette's out front. FTE winner. Lane 4. Corvette's out front. FTE winner. Lane 4. Okay, race 2 up and ready. Lane 1, we got the 67 Mustang GT. Lane 2, we got the Lethal Diesel. In lane 3, we got the Sheriff Patrol. In lane 4, we got the Street Creeper. In lane 5, we got the Pro Stock Camaro. In lane 6, we got the Mitsubishi Double Shots. Alright, who we going with here? I gotta go with that purple Mustang. Lane 1 for me. Let's race. Okay, race 2. 3, 2, 1. Diesel's out big. Wow. Blew him away. Winner, lane 2. Diesel's out big. Wow. Blew him away. Winner, lane 2. Okay, race 3's up and ready. Looks like a good one. Lane 1, 2013 Dodge Viper. In lane 2, we got the Nissan Skyline Fast and Furious Edition. Lane 3, we got the Invader. Lane 4, 2016 Camaro Ss. Lane 5, we got the Cat NASCAR. That's one of the good ones, guys. Gonna be hard to beat that guy. Lane 6, Camaro IROC Z28. Who are we liking here? I'll tell you what, that Viper looks pretty sweet. Skyline looks good. Gotta go lane 5. That cat NASCAR. That series has been rocking. Let's race. Okay, race 3. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, cat NASCAR. Big.
Winner, lane 5.
Oh yeah, cat NASCAR. Big.
Winner, lane 5.
Okay, race 4 up and ready. Lane 1, we got the Chevy Stalker. Lane 2, we got the pink 57 Chevy. Lane 3, we got the T-Bird. In lane 4, we got the Steer Clear. In lane 5, 2016 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster. In lane 6, we got the McLaren 720S. What are you guys liking here? What's it gonna be, guys? I think I'm gonna go lane 1 with that Stalker. Let's race. Okay, race 4. 3, 2, 1. Good race. Ooh, McLaren get it?
Winner,
Lane 3. T-Bird got it. Good race. Ooh, McLaren get it?
Winner,
Lane
lane
3.
3.
T-Bird got it. Okay, race 5 up and ready. In lane 1, we got the Monte Carlo. Lane 2, we got the Corvette Funny Car. Lane 3, got the El Camino. Lane 4, got the Honda S2000. In lane 5, we got the 68 Dodge Dart. In lane 6, we got the Turbo Streak. Okay, who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? We got some heavy cars in this one. Lane 1, lane 2, El Camino's fast. That's let's see, that Turbo Streak should be fast too, but I think I'm gonna go with lane 1, that pink Monte Carlo. It's heavy. I think it's gonna go downhill fast. Let's find out. Here we go. Okay, race 5. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, come on, Monte Carlo.
Winner, lane 1.
Oh yeah, come on, Monte Carlo.
Winner, lane 1.
Okay, race 6, up and ready. Lane 1, Subaru WRX ST1. Lane 2, Jaguar J220. Lane 3, 2017 Nissan GTR. In lane 4, the 69 Dodge Charger. In lane 5, we got the L Super Fasto. In lane 6, we got the Stalker. What's going to be here? We got some good cars here. Stalkers are fast. J220s are always fast. Got that big old Charger in there. What are you guys picking? Who's it going to be? I think I'm going to go lane 6 with the Hot Wheels Stalker. Let's race. Okay, race 6. 3, 2, 1. J220's out big. Wow, that car's fast.
Winner, lane 2.
J220's out big. Wow, that car's fast.
Winner, lane 2.
Okay, finals race is ready. We got a good group of cars here. These are fast. Lane 1, we got the Corvette Grand Sport with the FTE wheels. Lane 2, we got the Lethal Diesel. Lane 3, got that Cat NASCAR. Lane 4, we got the T-Bird. Lane 5, we got the Monte Carlo. And lane 6, we got that fast Jaguar J220. There's a lot of fast cars here. I don't know who to pick. FTE, NASCAR, Jaguar. I'm gonna go with the Cat. That series is way too hot to go against, but this should be a good race. Let's find out. Let's race. Okay, finals race. Who's it going to be? 3, 2, 1. Oh, they're all close. Wow, that was a close race. Those are good cars right there.
Lane 3.
Cat got it though. Oh, they're all close. Wow, that was a close race. Those are good cars right there.
Lane 3.
Cat got it though. Okay, here's tonight's winner in lane 1, the Cat NASCAR number 22, going against our current champ, the McDonald's number 97 NASCAR. Should be a good race here. Let's find out if the Cat's got what it takes. Let's race. Okay, tonight's champ, Cat NASCAR versus the current champ, the McDonald's car. 3, 2, 1. Oh man, McDonald's is out. Fast. Wow, it's fast.
Winner. Lane 2.
Oh man, McDonald's is out. Fast. Wow, it's fast.
Winner. Lane 2.
Okay, here is the reigning champ, the McDonald's number 97 NASCAR. Just too much for tonight's champ, the Caterpillar NASCAR. What a good night of races. That finals race had some really fast cars in it. We're going to be putting those up against our best of the best and see where they fall. But I want to thank you guys again for watching another one of my races. Fun night tonight. If you like what you saw, please hit that like and subscribe button. Check out the other customs and some of the other cars and the restorations I've done. Hopefully you like those too. And yeah, thanks again guys for watching another race. It was fun. We will catch you guys on the next one. See ya.